So, Namaskar, chemistry lovers and doctors and engineers of the near future. In the next video of just you can say chemistry wala as a Vijay Kumar Soni. So, in this video, we'll discuss about the just structure of complex compound or coordination compound. What is the major just similarities or dissimilarities between complex compound and coordination compound? If we'll go with the first of all, just a structure of just coordinate compound, or you can say complex salt, and these complex salt are also known as coordinate compound. Yeah, coordination compounds. So in previous video we have discussed about the just meaning of complex salt. If we go with the complex salt, then as we know that suppose this is the K4FeCN6. K4FeCN6. If we'll go with this compound, then this is called as just complex salt because it forms complex ion. And if we'll go with the just these two groups, then these act as coordinate bond between them. This is the arrow bond, coordinate bond. And as you all know, the type of coordinate bond forms by the sharing of lone pair of electron. For example, just if we are taking just NS3 and BF3, NS3 को आपने BF3 में ऐड किया, then you all know कि NS3 में नाइट्रोजन पे एक लॉन पेयर प्रेजेंट होगा, BF3 में पर्टिकुलर ऑक्टेट इनकम्प्लीट है. क्यों इनकम्प्लीट है? क्योंकि इसके आउटरमोस्ट सेल में पर्टिकुलर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, कुछ इस टाइप से 2 2 4 एंड 2 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो ये जैसे ही ऐड करेंगे ये अपना लोन पेयर को डोनेट कर देगा. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ द बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड एज coordinate bond. And due to presence of coordinate bond in complex salt, all the salts are just known as coordination compound. And study about coordination compound is also called as coordination chemistry. So in higher standard, this chapter is known as coordination chemistry. And we have discussed the father of coordination chemistry is called just Alfred Werner. If you go with the further, the structure of the complex compound, then each and every complex compound exists one of the square bracket that may exist on the left side, then always it will be cation. If there is the cation, then complex ion will be as an anion. And if there is anion, then in that case complex ion acts as a cation. And some of the complex compound neither exists cation nor anion also. Then at the just square bracket part, it will be first of all metal atom, and further it will be ligands. We'll discuss in the further what is the meaning of ligands. Means you can say कि जो complex part है ये particular दो चीजों से मिलकर बना होता है. One of the just metal atom, another ligands. This is the ligands. If we go with the example, then you can say as example we can take first, this is your K4FeCN6. So you can say just potassium is a cation, rest is a complex ion, it exists central metal atom or metal atom also, and this is the ligands. If we'll go with the next compound, then we can take just CuNS3 whole 4 SO4. Then here will be your metal atom, this is your ligands, and this part as a anion. As I told you, they may neutral type of the complex compound like this. This is the NiCOs whole 4. It neither exists cation nor anion, but this is the complex compound, and due to having coordinate bond, it is also called as coordination compound. So this was about the structure of the complex compound. Means it will be presence of cation on the left side, anion on the right side. At the just square bracket part, it will be first of all central metal atom. क्यों कहते हैं इसको central metal atom? Because of central metal atom अपने surroundings में ligand से surrounded होता है. Ligands क्या है? Further discuss करेंगे. फिलहाल इतना ही जाने कि these are the atom of group of atom which donates lone pair electron to the central metal atom and forms coordinate bond. Is that clear? So now the time to discuss about the central metal atom regarding to complex compound or complex salt or coordination compound. This is the central metal atom. It is also called as metal atom, and also called as central metal atom. Central metal atom. There is a question regarding to the central metal atom in both CBSE, RBSE and competition exam. Why they will use of D block elements as a central metal atom in the complex compound or coordination compound? Then you can say it will maximum use of D block elements. And why D block elements are used to form complex compound? There are three reasons. There are three reasons. First reason is the, just you can say, presence of vacant d orbital. इससे प्रॉफिट क्या होगा? लिगेंड जो अटैच हो रहे हैं वो इजी वे में इस वैकेंट स्पेस में अपना नॉन पे डोनेट करके कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बना पाएंगे. द सेकंड रीजन, डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट शोज वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट और वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट और ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. इससे फायदा क्या हुआ कि पर्टिकुलर सेंट्रल मेटल एटम को जितने लिगेंड मिलेंगे, 2 मिले 2 के साथ, 3 मिलेंगे 3 के साथ, 4 मिलेंगे 4 के साथ, मींस अवेलेबल नंबर ऑफ लिगेंड्स के साथ में कोऑर्डिनेशन बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन कर लेगा. नाउ द टाइम टू डिस्कस अबाउट द थर्ड रीजन. जस्ट मेटल एटम है, डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, ऑल द डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स एक्ट एज अ मेटल एटम. सो मेटल एटम है, देन देयर साइज विल बी स्मॉलर, size will smaller, and due to having smaller size there will be a greater force of attraction between ligand and central metal atom. So as a regarding to just example, as a variable oxidation state, we can take the example of AgNS3 whole 2 plus 2. This is the plus 1. Diamine silver first ion. This is the coordination number 2. As I told you, variable regarding to variable oxidation state, this is the Hgi3 minus. Coordination number is 3. What is the meaning of coordination number? We'll discuss later. And this is the NiCO whole 4. Here is the coordination number 4. Our number of available monodentate ligand. And if we'll go with the further, then we can take FeCOs whole 5 and FeCN whole 6. सो डियर केमिस्ट्री लवर, पर्टिकुलर ये आपका एक क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होता है कि सेंट्रल मेटल एटम की फॉर्म में डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स का क्यों यूज करते हैं. देन यू कैन से जस्ट पर्टिकुलर प्रेजेंस ऑफ वैकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल होगा तो वहां इजी वे में ये जो लिगेंड्स हैं अपने लॉन पेयर को डोनेट करके कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बना लेंगे. सेकंड इज योर वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. का मीनिंग क्या है कि उसको 2 लिगेंड मिले तो 2 के साथ, 3 मिले तो 3 के साथ, 4 अवेलेबल हो तो 4 के साथ में, 5 के लिगेंड अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं 5 के साथ में, 6 अगर लिगेंड अवेलेबल हो रहे हैं तो 6 के साथ में कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बना लेगा. एंड साइज विल बी स्मॉलर ऑफ द जस्ट सेंट्रल मेटल एटम. एटम है सेंट्रल मेटल एटम जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करके कैटायन बनाएगा, तो कैटायन बनेगा तो नो डाउट स्मॉलर साइज होगी. स्मॉलर साइज होगी तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन सेंट्रल मेटल एटम एंड लिगेंड जस्ट मैक्सिमम होगा. सेंट्रल मेटल एटम के को सेंट्रल मेटल एटम क्यों कहते हैं, इस बात को समझने के लिए आप कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल ले लें. This is the Fe6 4 minus. Then its structure will be as follows. This is the Fe. This is the Cn. This is another Cn. This is the another Cn. This is the another Cn. इसको आप Nc रीड ना करें क्योंकि दोनों एटम कार्बन है. So this will be the Cn. और this is the Cn and this is the Cn. Bracket 4 minus charge. तो ये सेंटर पे है. That's why it is called as central metal atom. So this was about the just D block elements are used to form complex compound. Why? We'll meet in the next video. Till then, धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.